Good morning, children. Let us continue to chapter 9, Australia, Central Lowland. Central Lowlands is a flat and low-lying area from the eastern highlands in the east to the western highlands in the west, and from the Gulf of Carpentaria in the north to the Encounter Bay in the south. Subdivisions are Carpentaria Lowland, Lake Eyre Basin, and Murray-Darling Basin. Carpentaria Lowland spreads around the Gulf of Carpentaria. You can see this green color is Carpentaria Lowland. The Great Artesian Basin lies within this region. It is the world's largest artesian basin and contains groundwater, which provides water for irrigation in an otherwise dry farming countries. The trapped groundwater gushes out automatically when the holes are bored in the ground. Water does not need to be pumped out because of the high water pressure here. The base on which the basin is formed is sandstone, which is covered by a layer of marine sedimentary rock. Lake Eyre Basin. This is Lake Eyre, and the area around it, you can see here green color, is Lake Eyre Basin. It lies south of Carpentaria Lowlands and is one of the four sub-basins of the larger Great Artesian Basin, covering 1/6 of the continent's total area. Lake Eyre, which is about 15 meters below the sea level, is the lowest point on the continent. Due to it being the lowland, small rivers flow into it instead of flowing into the sea, therefore creating the world's largest inland drainage basin. Murray-Darling Basin. This area is a Murray-Darling Basin, is also a flat and low-lying basin that is located inland in the southeastern part of Australia. Despite being an area that has less water carrying capacity, it is the best land for farming because of the Murray-Darling rivers, which provides water for irrigation. The Western Plateau is a relatively flat area about 600 feet above the sea level, with low mountain ranges in the north of Western Australia and isolated uplands in the Northern Territory. This area makes up more than half of the country. Some of these dry interiors of Australia have been developed into the large beef cattle stations, also known as ranches, some of which are the size of small countries. This area is generally known as outback. The word outback means the remote and usually uninhabited inland district of Australia. This region also includes the vast desert area of Western Australia and the Northern Territory. Due to the cold water current of the coast of Australia, this region is very dry. Some of the deserts in this region include the Gibson Desert, Tanami Canning, Great Sandy Desert, and Great Victoria Desert. The most famous feature of the Western Plateau is the Eyre's Rock, or the Uluru. It is one of the Australia's most recognizable landmark and is considered as the World Heritage Site. This 300 million year old rock is made up of sandstone and changes its color from reddish brown at the dawn to the yellow during the day, as you can see picture here. This is daytime and this is dawn time. It even appears violet at certain times. Now children, question I have for you. Which physical features spread around the Gulf of Carpentaria? Name the world's largest artesian basin. Which is the lowest point on the continent? Name two main rivers of Australia. Write three subdivisions of the central lowlands. You will write the answers of these questions and we will discuss them in the class.